What is an engineer? As I was searching for a definition, I came across this quote. The modern engineer must be at least two things: a creator of new ideas and new technologies, and a reinventor of those that are less new. These words are spoken by the Dean of MIT School of Engineering. This is exactly what an engineer is. An engineer creates and designs new ideas, but also improves and fixes ideas that are flawed. Engineers are men and women who complete a complex course load in order to be capable of designing and building things that we use in our everyday life. Engineers design and build things that we use in our everyday life. The bridges and roads that we drive on are designed by civil engineers. Civil engineers also focus on construction, water resources, and other environmental issues. Architectural engineers build the houses we live in, the schools that we learn in, the malls that we shop in, the office buildings that we work in, and the restaurants that we eat in. The difference between an architectural engineer and an architect is that an architect just focuses on the design of a house, and an architecture engineer focuses on the design of the plumbing, the lighting, and the air and heating systems. There's an example of an electrical plant. The phones that we talk on, the radio that we listen to, the TV that we watch, and the computer that we surf the net are all designed and processed by electrical engineers. The engines in our cars that we drive and the roller coasters we ride on amusement parks are things designed and processed by mechanical engineers. There are also many other disciplines of engineering, such as aerospace, bioengineering, chemical, industrial, nuclear, petroleum, and surveying, just to name a few. Engineers build and design things that we use every day, but they must complete a rigorous course load in order to graduate. Students complete multiple courses of math, physics, and chemistry just in the first year alone. They continue to complete multiple courses of math, physics, and chemistry along with the courses in their discipline until they graduate. Engineers usually take more credits needed than a full-time student. 12 credits are required at Penn State to be a full-time student, but an engineer student must take at least 17 in order to graduate in 4 years. Most major universities and private institutions offer engineer as a major, but some smaller schools offer dual majors that allows them to start at a smaller school and end up graduating from a bigger school. 2 schools, Towson and Holy Cross, participate in this program. Towson allows you to finish at Penn State or the University of Maryland, while Holy Cross allows you to finish at Dartmouth. According to the U.S. News, MIT is the top engineering school in the country. Stanford, University of California, Berkeley, and Carnegie Mellon follow close behind. The University of Illinois is the only public school that ranks in the top engineering schools in the nation. While students complete a rigorous course load at their prospective schools, they will come out with a good job and a good starting salary. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, 1.5 million jobs are occupied by engineers. Civil engineering ranks the top with 256,000 people working as civil engineers. Starting salaries range from between $47,000 to $60,000. Petroleum is at the top with $60,000, and according to the chart here, environmental is at the bottom with $47,000. The increase in support for women, there's been more increase in support for women, such as the Society of Women Engineers. The Society of Women Engineers encourages women to go into engineering. The need for women engineers is at a high demand. Over the last few minutes, you've learned what engineers do, the courses that they take, and the opportunities and salaries that are available. Our nation always needs engineers because of the constant need in new and improved ideas. If you like math, science, or like being creative, or just want to be part of a society that contributes to society, then you should definitely consider a career in engineering.